Hey guys, welcome to Rabbit Motorworks. Short video here on a new purchase that I've made. A Titanium Flux 125 welder. Yeah, I bought it at Harbor Freight here. It's a real basic unit and great for a guy like myself who's beginning welding. It's a basic wire feed design with flux core. So it doesn't take any shielding gas, and you basically dial in whatever your sheet metal gauge is to whatever the settings are for wire feed and voltage, and it allows you to do some welding. So pretty happy with the setup. I also bought some of these magnets and also some of these butt clamps as well. I'll show you some of the examples of using the machine. And I've just bought a piece of pretty cheap 22 gauge sheet metal to play around with, and been cutting off some pieces with that. So let's get into showing you some of the welds and what the machine can do, and we'll come back and kind of walk you through some of the things that I did with it. So here's the practice panels that I was using. I did clean them up with the wire brush on one part here, at least for this thing here. You can see there's a lot of blowed through holes here. This is 22 gauge, and I had the machine dialed up quite high on some of these, and it was basically blowing this through. But you can see some of these other welds came through. It does throw off a little bit of slag and some of these bumps here. I've definitely got some learning to do for the welding. Here's another piece that I did some work on as well too. One of the key things you do is you kind of hold it up into the sun to see if there's any holes that are blowing through. But this is after I dialed it down and it started to come in better, and I was getting better with my technique. So, but the cool thing is this is welded. It doesn't look like a beautiful weld to a certain extent, but once you clean it up and you know, scuff it down with the flap disc or whatever, it's definitely worthy of bodywork material. So with that, I think it's a great purchase for myself. I've always wanted to learn how to weld. So if you guys are interested in that machine, I would highly suggest trying that one to get started. And I'm going to be using it to basically weld this patch panel in on the fender, as I've been showing on the channel. So if you guys are interested in that, take a look at some of the other videos. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed this short video just as a quick little review and learning some of the welding that I've been doing with the Harbor Freight Titanium 125 Flux Core welder. So thanks for watching. Peace.